With this video I will show you new alignment tools that we have developed under version V13. I just want to place this contour on the bottom left of the plate, because most of the machines, rotor machine, the reference 0 is on the bottom left, and it could be very interesting to place what we want to cut on the bottom left. So here I need just to click on two icons, left side of the plate and then bottom side of the plate. That's it. I can now take the second logo. I will first align along this axis, and I can place now on the left or the right side of the first selection, like this. With control and arrow direction, I can set up a distance that I will have between the two elements, where the tools that I will use will just cut between distance. I will do the same with this one. Okay, that's it. I'm ready to go in the cam using the new alignment tools.